to send from GCash to Paymaya. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is open your GCash app and enter your MPIN to unlock your account securely. Look for the send money icon, often with an arrow or money transfer symbol, on the home screen and tap on it. Then tap on the send to bank option available there. Then tap on the view all option on the lower right portion of the screen to reveal the complete list of available banks and institutions. After that, scroll through the list and find Paymaya and tap on it to proceed. Then enter the amount you want to send, account name, account number, and email address. The account number is the mobile number associated with your Paymaya account. Then tap on the send money. Then verify that your provided information is correct. Then tap on the confirm to complete the transaction. Your GCash to Paymaya transfer is now being processed. Wait for the SMS and or email confirmation of your successful transformation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.